Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to quickly and easily draw a bluey baby. We'll start with the most interesting thing. Draw a nose. To make the line smooth, I draw slowly. Bluey's nose occupies the central part of his face. But now we move on to the eyes. Bluey's baby has very expressive big eyes. To make the oval smooth, you do not need to hurry. I'm painting over my pupils. I leave only glare in my eyes. Look how cute it turns out. I already like the result. If you are interested, please like it and we will continue to draw. Now we draw the body. If you practice a little bit, it becomes very exciting. The next stage is Bluey's ears. Just look at what a sweet child I was as a child. Now I'm painting over the spots on my body. It looks very pretty. Let's move on to the diaper. Also, do not forget about the arms and legs. Well, of course there is still a tail. I already like the result, but that's not all. Now you can color it. I start with Bluey's ears. Most of all, I like to paint with felt tip pens. But you can also take pastel paints or markers too. I paint over my ears and all the spots. To do this, I need a dark blue felt tip pen. The inside of the ears is brown. I also paint over the nose with brown. I'm moving on to a light blue shade. This is my favorite shade for drawing Bluey. And now the main blue for blue. It is important to choose the right shade here. Coloring pages are a very exciting activity. And now I take a pink felt tip pen and paint over the diapers. The drawing is ready. It's very simple and fast. If you practice, you will definitely succeed too.